The balance that you are seeing at here 31,672. Let me reload it so you don't feel like it is a screenshot or something like that. Okay, $31,672. In this amount, only 2,500 or $3,000 is the amount that I have deposited, and rest every other amount that you are seeing at here is purely profit. Now the interesting thing is not so I'm not only making profit for myself. All of these trades that you see at here are copied by lots of other traders like you who were lucky enough to see some of my YouTube videos, and they knew I provide copy trading service, as you can see in the screen below. It is extremely simple to copy the trades, profitable trades of other people who are in actual profit. Now this is not the first time that I was able to turn my $2,000 $3,000 account into this much amount. Okay, but there were lots of other accounts also where I have made trade and gained this kind of profit. Now that doesn't mean that I'm always profitable. Sometimes loss happens while I do trade, and sometimes it can be a little bit devastating also. That's why I recommend other people who copy my trades to copy as less as possible while they are trying to invest only by copying me. But if you see in the screen properly, I only make trades of $200 in each trade. So those people who copy me can copy 100% of this trade $200 in their account, or what they can do is they can also copy 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%. So 1% if they copy, that is going to be of $2 per trade. If they copy 5% of this $200 trade, then that is going to be of $10 per trade. And I'm also going to show you how you can do this kind of setup easily. But if you really want to copy my trades, I don't force you to copy, it's your choice. But if you want to copy my trade, then you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and also in the first comment below. You can click on that link and join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there. Follow that instructions and you will be able to get my UID. The UID that you will use to copy my trades automatically into your account. Once you do the copy trading setup, then if you are asleep, then also my trade will be copied in your account. Once you get my UID, and to copy my trade, it is extremely simple. Just click on this social trading and click on here and click on search and paste that UID at here, and a name will appear. Now let me repeat that this is not my UID. I am just showing you it as an example. Just click on this name that appears and click on copy. Now you'll see these 4 boxes. Don't make changes to any boxes, just make change to this copy in proportion box. So I have told you previously 1%. If you put copy in proportion 1, then you will be copying my $2 per trade. Whenever I make $200 per trade, you will copy $2 per trade. Similarly, if you make it 10%, then you are going to copy $20 per trade. And if you are going to make it 5%, then it's going to copy you $10 per trade. And if you make it 50%, then you are going to copy $100 per trade whenever I make $200 per trade. In that way, this copy trading works. Once you do this much, then click on confirm and you will automatically start to copy my trade. Now you may be thinking why I am not telling you to use anything at these 3 boxes. Because whenever you make any changes to these boxes, then all of my trades don't get copied to your account. For what reason, I don't know, but that is happening with other copy traders who are copying my trades. So let's say you have like $10,000 in your account and you only want to risk $1,000 in my copy trading service, then what you can do is you don't put any stop balance at here. Just withdraw that $9,000 and only keep $1,000 in your account. In that way, you will only risk $1,000 in my copy trading service. Now, in case of minimum copy trade amount and maximum copy trade amount, I have already told you that I only make $200 per trade in each trade. So that's why it doesn't matter what you put here or not. I don't make anything above or below $200 in each trade. So that's why you don't need to worry about these 2 boxes. You can just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trade.